What's up, everyone? My name is Jeff. I'm the owner of RDRGear, and today we're going to talk about the Abdominal Med Pouch XL, or the AMP XL. So the AMP XL is what it is, the extra large version of our original AMP. The AMP XL, so as its size, it can be used for a lot of different things. It really is user configurable to you for what you want to use it for. And it also comes in a lot of different colors and patterns, so that's kind of cool. You guys can mix and match, kind of create your own look in regards to the XL. So the XL has a 1.5 inch wide Velcro hook up front, a Velcro loop, front pocket zipper here. This is where we store the waist belt for the fanny pack. This is also a great place to store gloves if you're going to do for a medical side. You can do any kind of pouches or whatnot. You put this a Velcro back on the inside of the pouch as well. It kind of gives you a lot of creativity on that side of it. On the inside, it is hook on both sides. You'll get 3 feet of one wrap, 1 inch and 1.5 inches. These individual wraps here, you can cut them down to actually secure different items inside the pouch, however you want to configure it. And I'll show you what one looks like done up. So we've taken the belt out of this one, and this has been done up for my med kit. And you can see how this works like so. What's cool about the one wrap is, as I mentioned, everything is configurable. I've got shears, tweezers, a tourniquet, chest seals, some band-aids, a small flashlight, large flashlight, decompression, 2 different markers for Sharpies, 2 sets of gloves, and then I also staged gloves up front. On the one in my vehicle, I'll stage gloves in the pouch up front here as well. What's cool about these as well, they work as an individual pouch. You can throw inside of another bag. They work as a dangler for a plate carrier like our original AMP does. Open the 2 wings, and now you've got your fanny pack, right? One of the things I found from a good buddy of mine who just retired from DEA is that this past year we had all the riots. And here in Salt Lake, we had an individual officer who had to bail from a vehicle because her car got tipped over and set on fire. And we saw that a lot throughout the country, people having to bail from their cars. And a lot of the conversation was about rifles and bags and whatnot. I find it hard to believe that I can travel through a major city with a rifle, even broke down rifle. And a broke down rifle doesn't do me any good if I had to deploy the rifle right away. So I started running an AMP that was configured as kind of an IFAK / bug out, right? Enough things for me to get by on foot, outside of a vehicle, with public transportation being shut down, no Uber, no Lyft, no trains, no buses, etc. I had to go on foot, maybe to get a hotel, maybe to hold up somewhere. So I started putting together something that would give me handgun, ID, cash, credit cards, and a spare magazine. That's what's in here right now. So by configuring the AMP XL in the fanny pack configuration, I was able to use it as storage and then put in a handgun and pistol, or pistol and holster, and a spare magazine, but actually run it in a holster. So I could take this out, put it onto my person, run it as a concealed pistol and mag here in my pocket. This pouch here carries basically all of my incidentals, spare ID, cash, credit cards, a wallet, passport if I had to, one blade of some sort, folder type. And again, that gives me enough product that if I had to ditch this because it was so overt looking, I could then take all the contents that are in here now and make them concealable on my person. So again, this is something that I started doing in my car just in case I had to bail from my vehicle and I couldn't get anything else, or maybe it was on me per se. It doesn't hurt to have a spare handgun, especially if I had to pick someone up, or a buddy or whatever. I now have a kit for that person to run as well. So again, the AMP is a much more versatile product than we intended it to be as far as a IFAK. That's its main purpose, but due to its design and style and the open configuration in the center main pocket, you can make the AMP XL anything you want. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see here, please like, share, and subscribe. Be well, take care.